Every patrol car begins as thousands of kilograms of precision long before an engine starts.
Modern factories track every kilogram of steel digitally. Automation eliminates unnecessary handling while protecting surface quality.
The manufacturing journey officially begins here. Every coil follows a digitally scheduled production sequence.
Inside the press shop, hydraulic equipment removes protective steel straps from the tightly wound coil.
Steel naturally remembers its coiled shape. Precision rollers remove internal stress before stamping begins.
This nearly invisible lubricant dramatically reduces die friction. It protects both the steel and expensive stamping tools. Each blank is cut for a specific body component. Accuracy here reduces waste throughout the factory. Stamping dies weighing several tons shape every major panel. Each movement is synchronized to fractions of a second. A single press stroke can apply thousands of tons of force. This is the first recognizable body structure. Laser inspection detects deviations smaller than a human hair. Perfect geometry is essential before welding. Cold forming reshapes steel without melting it. The material actually becomes stronger in critical areas. Every trimmed edge prepares the panel for perfect assembly. Even production scrap returns to the recycling process. These tiny holes guide robots during later assembly. Without them, body alignment would be impossible. After thousands of precision measurements, the first body components finally meet. In the next stage, robots will permanently join these structures. Spot welding joins steel using pressure and electrical current instead of filler metal. Each weld is monitored electronically to ensure consistent strength. Factories inspect weld quality immediately, rather than waiting until final assembly. Detecting a single weak weld now prevents costly repairs later. Every reinforcement is installed in a carefully engineered sequence. The order of assembly determines final dimensional accuracy. Modern welding robots repeat identical movements thousands of times each day. Consistency is one of automation's greatest advantages.
Laser metrology compares millions of measurement points within seconds. Even tiny dimensional changes can affect later assembly.
Automated handling minimizes damage to freshly stamped steel. Every movement is synchronized through the factory control network. Engineers carefully position welds to control structural loads. Proper weld spacing improves durability throughout the vehicle's service life.
Thermal monitoring helps confirm stable welding conditions. Controlled cooling preserves dimensional precision.
Clean surfaces improve both inspection accuracy and future corrosion protection. Even microscopic debris is removed before production continues. Every structural member has a dedicated installation order. Digital traceability follows each part throughout production. Fixtures prevent even the slightest movement during joining. Rigid positioning ensures repeatable body geometry. Electrode pressure is precisely controlled before every weld. This combination of force and current creates exceptionally strong joints.
Machine vision detects imperfections invisible to the human eye. Automated inspection improves both speed and consistency.
Automated transport keeps production flowing without manual lifting. Each manufacturing cell performs one specialized operation. The body structure is beginning to take shape, one engineered section at a time. The next stage will unite these larger assemblies into the foundation of a police patrol vehicle. Body accuracy begins with precise positioning, not welding. Even a 1 millimeter error here can multiply throughout the vehicle. Robots follow identical welding paths thousands of times each week. Consistency is essential for structural rigidity. Modern inspection systems verify both strength and dimensional accuracy. Quality control happens continuously, not just at the end. Mirror image components require equally precise alignment. Perfect symmetry is critical for every future assembly stage. Each weld distributes structural loads throughout the body. Together, hundreds of welds create remarkable strength.
Laser metrology confirms the body remains perfectly aligned. Precision now prevents assembly problems much later.
This reinforcement increases structural stiffness beneath the passenger compartment. It also prepares the body for future drivetrain installation. Different weld locations are engineered for different load paths. Every joint contributes to crash performance. Controlled cooling minimizes distortion after welding. Temperature data helps verify stable manufacturing conditions. Factories divide production into highly specialized stations. Each station performs one precise engineering task. Orientation checks prevent incorrect assembly before welding begins. Automation detects errors long before humans could notice them. Upper body reinforcements improve torsional rigidity. They also support future roof components. Computer vision verifies thousands of inspection points in seconds. Digital manufacturing depends on constant measurement.
Exterior panels demand exceptional surface quality. Even tiny imperfections become visible after painting.
The precision of this alignment will determine the body's final appearance. In Part 4, robotic systems permanently joining from the center outward helps maintain precise body geometry. Every weld sequence is programmed to minimize thermal distortion. Exterior panels are handled without direct contact to protect their finish. Even small surface marks would remain visible after painting. Automated welding delivers repeatable strength throughout every vehicle. Precise spacing distributes structural loads efficiently. Modern body inspection compares every vehicle with its original CAD model. Dimensional precision ensures perfect component fit later.
The roof panel is one of the largest visible exterior components. Its flawless surface is essential for a premium finish.
Before welding, every edge must be perfectly aligned. Precision here influences wind noise and structural performance. Roof joints contribute significantly to overall body stiffness. Every weld follows a digitally optimized sequence. Inspection confirms both structural integrity and surface alignment. Body accuracy now affects every future assembly step. These hidden brackets support future interior and electrical installations. Many important structural parts are never visible after assembly. Thousands of measurements verify the body before surface treatment. This inspection ensures the shell meets exact engineering specifications. The welded body is now structurally complete. Next, it must be protected against decades of corrosion. Perfect paint adhesion begins with an exceptionally clean surface. Even invisible contamination can reduce coating durability.
Phosphate conversion improves corrosion resistance and paint bonding. This invisible layer plays a major role in long-term durability.
Electrocoating protects areas that traditional spraying cannot reach. Electric current draws protective primer onto every exposed steel surface.
The invisible protective layer is now in place. In Part 5, heat curing, robotic painting,
The protective electrocoat must be heat cured to achieve maximum durability. Controlled temperatures ensure a uniform finish across the entire body.
electrostatic painting improves coating efficiency and consistency. The primer creates a smooth foundation for the final finish.
Multiple thin paint layers produce better durability than one thick coat. Uniform thickness is measured automatically throughout the process. Clear coat protects the paint from weather, chemicals, and ultraviolet light. It also creates the deep gloss seen on the finished vehicle. Automakers often build the drivetrain and body on separate production lines. The two assemblies meet only during final integration. This operation is known throughout the industry as the body marriage. Within minutes, two separate assemblies become one complete vehicle. Interior assembly combines automation with skilled manual craftsmanship. Many precision components still require experienced technicians. Automotive glass contributes to body rigidity as well as visibility. Special structural adhesives create exceptionally strong bonds. Every fastener is electronically recorded for complete traceability. Digital torque verification ensures long-term reliability. Police vehicles receive equipment unavailable on standard production models. These upgrades prepare the vehicle for demanding emergency service. Modern patrol vehicles contain dozens of interconnected electronic systems. Every function is verified before the vehicle leaves the factory. Every vehicle undergoes controlled functional testing before delivery. Power, braking, and drivetrain performance are carefully evaluated. The final inspection combines advanced technology with experienced human judgment. Only vehicles meeting every specification move forward. The final cleaning highlights the precision of the manufacturing process. Digital tracking follows every vehicle from factory to fleet. From raw steel to a mission-ready patrol vehicle, every stage reflects precision engineering, rigorous quality control, and advanced